Hi guys, this is my wife's usual face.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I know I got up late. My head is just, I don't know what happened. For me, it's my head is always, oh, there's a lot of birds out there. Look. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Breakfast time. I'm going to boil some water. I don't want to have a problem anymore. Again. I don't want to have diarrhea. I planned to put this last night on the over here, right there, but the hook and the hook is not good. We don't have a battery for that. Just getting some water out here. Oh, it's so nice. Nice. It's really nice that everything is clean. Oh, did I show you that they clean up the front thing? That front, like a little mountainy area in front of the house. They cleaned that. The gardener cleaned that also. Because when the gardener talked to my husband's a little pissed because he cleaned up. He said they have a price when we talk to the gardener, and then, you know, when they came over here and clean up halfway, doesn't even do properly clean up, and that's it. And then it says, oh, this is the price, la 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 la. I said, oh, my husband doesn't like it. The price is huge, big, and it's not properly clean. It's not clean, the whole thing. There's no mulch and nothing. What is that? I'm still right there. Oh, it's spoiling, huh? Oh. Yeah. This other one is just really as a golf ball. Yeah. Hi guys. I don't know why my cell phone is really bad signal in here. Not just mine, it's my husband also. And yeah, I put the sweater because we're going to the attic. Even though the attic is so hot, I have to wear this thing because it's itchy. Like that insulation roll is itchy. It makes your skin itch. So, and I don't wanna keep itching the whole time. I received a comment just now from Arin Love Cambodia. Hi Arin Love Cambodia. Hi Arin. Are you Filipino? Your picture you don't like a Filipino. I can't see it because it's a small picture. It's small one, so yeah, how's Spain, girl? And also thank you for watching and thank you for the comments. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, hug and kisses from New York Mountain. It's hard to talk when you're listening music. It's hard to like talk. My husband is so noisy. I came down here because I'm gonna do something different. I can't help him in there. So I'm gonna come here. We have file of the one that takes you home. Okay. Last time I need to be the one that takes you home. One more time, I promise that. I like the music, Ariana Grande.
Hi guys, this is my wife's usual face.
No.
Do the eyes on, show the eyes. Do the eyes.
Oops.
Idiot. And don't focus it on me. Nah. I will squeeze you like this. Oh no.
We're streaming live.
We're going to have lunch soon. I don't know. I think my husband. Where are you, hon? Did you check the basement? And is it leaking? Okay. I'm painting the. Huh? Okay. I'm making the thing again, guys. You see me cooking this one, so I'm making that again. And we're watching Whose Line Is It Anyway? And there is the. Next time I'm not gonna buy this. I'm just gonna make it because I know how to make it. So I'm just gonna make that. That's a lumpia. And yeah, we're hoping lunch up today. Is my husband is going back to the other house. Tomorrow is work, so yeah. I'm just going to get some paint because I'm painting the bathroom, guys. There's no water. Water? What?
Why? Wait, you're painting the bathroom. Why you want seafoam?
Huh?
The bathroom's not seafoam.
What seafoam?
You said you want to go to
Sea
Lowe's.
salt.
Well, same difference.
Sea salt is. I'm going to paint not just the thing, Han. I'm staying here for 2 days and a half. 2 days, you know. So I'm gonna paint the bathroom upstairs. The sea salt, it's a nice color. So I'm just gonna. The sea salt is very calming color, and white also because I need white. That's really it. We just get out from Walmart and we get something from there. I'm gonna put you guys down there because we might need it. Where's Lowe's here? Lowe's over there. You should turn over it.
Where?
You go turn over on the other side then. This.
Where the hell is Lowe's? Tell me twice I turn here.
You turn here. Follow these people. Going to Lowe's. And it's really. I will show you later what we get from Walmart when we get home. And my husband is leaving. When we get home, my husband is leaving me again. This is from Walmart. It's 4 of them. I forgot. It's this good with the box, and I get rid of the box, and I let my husband bring the box because we don't have garbage here, so he can bring the garbage. So it's 4 of this for like I can put anything in here: sugar, flour, whatever other stuff. This is $19 something, so it's like $20 for this. $20, the whole set. We get this holder, paper towel. Yeah, it's paper towel holder. And we got a garbage pail. Oh no, this is the $20. This one is the, yeah, this is $20. I forgot. This is $20. This one is not $20, guys. This is cost us like 11 11 bucks, hold on. Yeah, it's 12 bucks, 11.97, so it's not really bad. We get a blue tape and I get a pen. This pen is sea salt. It's a Sherwin-Williams, and yeah, it's a good color, so I picked this color in. Okay. And I got also a Lizzie Susan, guys. Look, guys, I'll show you. Huh? It's just like, you know, I put this in the corner, and this is 6 bucks. It's a bamboo. It's bamboo. It's, you know, I'll put this right here in the corner, guys. It's easier, you know, because it's harder to reach whatever is in there. So you can just put this over here and just turn like that, you know. And that's my plan, that to put that right there. Not so, it's kind of, it's, you know, it's kind of really hard, but it's fine. Yeah, so that's it over there. It's a Lizzie Susan, that because it's a you know, it's a deep area, so I need to put that over there. And this garbage thing, I will put this in the second floor, and this over right here. We're going to replace this because this is broken, so we're just gonna replace it like this. Bye bye. And we don't do much work today. My husband is been doing upstairs isolation because he has to undo that the thing that we did the last time, like, you know, the isolation, because he pushed it against the roof. And my brother-in-law, which is his brother-in-law, and says that you don't have to do that because it makes a mold. It creates mold, so we have to make it a little bit forward because the beam is kind of long, so we have to make it forward. There is an extra space between the isolation and the wall. So put the picture over here, guys. My picture, yeah, my wedding picture. I've been trying to do this live thing on Facebook. It's fun. I'm going to charge my battery of this camera because it's all really bad low bat. So this is how I charge, and I have another extra, so I have 3 batteries. That live thing is kind of fun, guys. I have a lot of things. Look what my husband did, oh guys, oh. And he doesn't even do it. So what I'm gonna do now is pack everything again, because I don't want everything to be unpacked and then we're not even done here. And